Karunihar Dam is a dam in Tharparkar, Sindh, Pakistan. Mangla Dam. As per the Indus Waters Treaty signed in 1960, India gained rights for the Ravi, Sutlej, and Beas rivers, while Pakistan, in addition to waters of above 3 rivers in her area and some monetary compensation, got rights to develop the Jhelum, Chenab, and Indus river basins. Until 1967, the entire irrigation system of Pakistan was fully dependent on unregulated flows of the Indus and its major tributaries. The agricultural yield was very low for a number of reasons, the most important being a lack of water during critical growing periods. This problem stemmed from the seasonal variations in the river flow and the absence of storage reservoirs to conserve the vast amounts of surplus water during periods of high river discharge. The Mangla Dam was the first development project undertaken to reduce this shortcoming and strengthen the irrigation system. The dam was damaged partially during an Indian Air Force bombing in the Indo-Pakistani War of 1971 when the Hydel project was hit by the bombs. The Mangla Dam project. The Mangla Dam, the 12th largest dam and 3rd largest earth-filled dam in the world, is only 115 kilometers southeast of Rawalpindi. One has to turn left from Dina town and the dam on River Jhelum is about 14 kilometers to the east. It was constructed in 1967 across the Jhelum River about 100 miles southeast of the federal capital, Islamabad. The main structures of the dam include 4 embankment dams, 2 spillways, 5 power-cum irrigation tunnels and a power station. The main dam is 10,300 feet long and 454 feet high, above core trench, with a reservoir of 97.7 square miles. Since its first impounding in 1967, sedimentation has occurred to the irrigation from the flow of the Jhelum and its tributaries. Its secondary function was to generate electrical power from the irrigation releases at the artificial head of the reservoir. The project was not designed as a flood control structure, although some benefit in this respect also arises from its use for irrigation and water supply. In the center of the dam there is a Gakhar fort from where one can have a panoramic view of the lake. Marani Dam is located in Gwadar district, Balochistan, Pakistan. Marani Dam Multipurpose Project is located on Dasht River, about 30 miles west of Turbat in Makran division of Balochistan. It envisages provision of dependable irrigation supplies for the development of irrigated agriculture on the 2 banks of the river. The project have been completed in November 2006 and inaugurated by President Pervez of Pakistan. Sheikhador Dam. The Sheikhador, Shadi Khor, Dam is located near Pasni, in the Balochistan province of southwest Pakistan, 1,900 kilometers, 1,180 miles, from Islamabad and has a length of about 148 meters, 485 feet. It was built in 2003, at a cost of 45 million rupees, $758,853, to provide irrigation water to the nearby farms. On February 10, 2005, the dam burst under the pressure of a week's worth of rain, killing at least 70 villagers and dragging their bodies to the Arabian Sea. The Pakistani military was sent into emergency search and rescue operations, saving 1,200 people but still having to account for over 400 missing.